now set to get to the table top of the second division. Let's go down to Namrata and bring on these two teams on the mat. Get that warm-up session that's going to be happening where I'm missing that one man. We will talk about that man soon as the Chandigarh Chargers are right in front of us. Nikhil Singh, Neeraj Chahal in the corners, Dinesh Parvin, Bablu Singh and Nikesh Ravinder. Three strong rating people out there for the rating department. Vikram Singh, Lakshya, Dikshit, Mahesh and Ravi in the... Good morning, Navneet.
जी हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग नवीन। यूपी फैल्कन्स सेंटर में रहेंगे रचित यादव, कर्व्स की जोड़ी में तरुण कुमार और राजदीप कुमार। राइट इन पे है आनंद यादव, लेफ्ट इन पे रहेंगे आशीष भाटी। कॉर्नर्स के जो दो खिलाड़ी है वो है दाहिने तरफ आयुष कुमार और नवनीत नागर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे। इसके अलावा आलोक कुमार, विवेक कुमार, सचिन गौर, मोहित नागर और शनि गुप्ता, ये पांच खिलाड़ी है यूपी।
Was flipped over. Chandigarh Chargers won the toss, so UP Falcons will be raiding in first. And that man who I always keep missing, Yogesh Nagar. But Nikesh Ravinder goes into a super tackle situation. All right. Now this is a point where the UP Falcons will put up their first points. And Yogesh Nagar is happy. First ever point that's going in. Nice double ankle hold that went in. And as I said, Nikesh Ravinder is not very good in attacking the corners. You know, he's very good in attacking the covers, but this time goes in deep and keeps both the legs together. Nice ankle hold from Tarun.
Raider out. Bonus point UP Falcons. Raider out. 1+2 3 points. Chandigarh Chargers. All out.
जी हाँ, चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स को और 3 पॉइंट्स मिलेगा ऑल आउट के कारण, और यूपी फैल्कन्स एक बोनस पॉइंट ले करके वहां एक पॉइंट खाते में लाई है। क्या यहाँ पे अपनी मानसिकता बदल सकती है यूपी फैल्कन्स, क्योंकि बहुत जरूरी होगा। और आज आप देख सकते हैं
as they are facing the table toppers. Yes, this is bound to happen. Chandigarh Chargers, they know where to attack as Nikesh Ravinder once again goes in for the kick. Perfect. First the kick was missed.
Raider out.
Then
1 point
the
UP
landing
Falcons.
attack coming. The reverse ankle hold coming with a good effect. Now just watch this. This is a very, very good timing of the ankle hold. Now watch that. There, the landing foot. He first missed on the kick and then...
आशीष भाटी एक बार आए हैं और उछलते कूदते पहुंच गए हैं अपने कोर्ट में। 11 और 7 का स्कोर। बहुत ही शानदार खेल दिखाया है। ओ नहीं मिला था। इस बीच फिर से एक बार आशीष भाटी। ओ ओ ओ ओ जी हाँ, इस बार लेफ्ट इन के खिलाड़ी वहां शिकार बने हैं आशीष भाटी के। जर्सी नंबर 25 को बाहर जाना पड़ेगा। गुरमीत।
चंडीगढ़ टीम चंडीगढ़ प्लीज कंट्रोल कैप्टन और एनीवन प्लीज। रेड
Yeah, Rachit Yadav now comes in. They need raid points, Navneet. They desperately need raid points because the defense is doing well and this will help. Error from Bablu Singh, wanting to go for the attack and the expectation, the anticipation from Rachit Yadav. Top
Raider safe. 1 point UP Falcons. Jersey number 10 out. Raid.
ओ
Raider out.
जी हाँ,
1 point चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स।
चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स और यूपी फैल्कन्स जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इस मैच में आ रही थी, ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स की जो चार्ज है उसके कारण यूपी।
What I read. Now this is important as Nikish Ravinder, second time he's gone in for a do-or-die raid. Navneet, I always say not to send your top raider in a do-or-die raid. He's also been
Raider
tackled
out.
down.
1
Yogesh
point,
Nagar is happy.
UP Falcons.
Every time you don't have to send your top raider. That's a problem. That is the problem. And now he's just tackled out and onto the bench.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नवीन, हम यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे और नवीन जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट 3 मिनट का खेल यहाँ पे बचा है, आशीष को मौका मिला है और आशीष ये भी कमाल के मस्त मौला खिलाड़ी हैं और कैमरा यहाँ पर बहुत देर से योगेश नागर साहब की तरफ नहीं मुड़ा है। मैं उनके एक्सप्रेशन का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और सेलिब्रेट करते हुए आशीष
1 point, UP Falcons. Jersey number 1 out.
A nice little touch point. Turns across and gets that kick missed. And the second time he does it well. Wow, that is...
भेजा गया है नवीन।
Yeah, very interesting. Now if Pablo Singh can get a point. Bonus is open for him, Navneet.
Rider safe. 1 point, Chandigarh Chargers. Jersey number 33 out.
Yeah, he just went in for the bonus, isn't it? That's all he did. But Ayush, he was drawn in for the ankle hold. There, he just wanted to take the bonus point. A fake bonus attempt, and Ayush fell for the trap. Stood up to the occasion, isn't it? Let us see if we can do something where Yogesh Nagar Saab was the coach of many other teams. Oh, that is not a tackle. That is a hunt. That has gone down on Ashish Bhati. He's injured a little. And nice to see the opponent defender just checking on him. First, he escaped the jump. He landed probably on his right shoulder. That will give a bit of a niggle. Yeah, good jump. Very good jump on top of Navneet Nagar on that left corner. But then the support came in from Gurmeet Dalal. And surprisingly, and today he's doing a fair job for the Chandigarh Chargers. Navneet, in your remembrance, have you ever seen any defender doing really well for Yogesh Nagar? I don't think so. And see, these are the errors that the UP Falcons need to avoid. I wonder what happens when the defense goes along in the thinking board as Bablu Singh is limping away. Navneet Kumar in the commentary box will not be happy with that visuals.
Oh yeah, absolutely. But then this has been seen before. बबलू अक्सर ऐसे दिखते हैं लेकिन फिर जाके वो अपनी एनर्जी फिर से वापस ले लेते हैं। यहाँ पे ऑफिशियल्स टाइम आउट हुआ है।
And even with the niggle he celebrated. And all those 4 teams haven't done really well. They haven't qualified for the next stage at all. Now with the UP Falcons, and mostly the defenders have brought him down. It's not the Raiders. Rachit Yadav now has been pushed outside the lobby with a nice ankle hold. Only Periyar Panthers have gone to the playoffs. That's it. And Rachit Yadav, hey, we've heard of nervous 90s. This is like the Frim who was actually getting them points. And they have brought in Alok Kumar, and it was Navneet. Because of Navneet, Yogesh Nagar accepted it. Navneet Nagar told it, saying you just replace Rachit and bring in Alok. And
Raider out. 1 point, UP Falcons.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल 20 और 25 का स्कोर और 8 मिनट का यहाँ पे खेल। बबलू लगभग वो लाइन क्रॉस कर लिया था।
Lagbhag, come on, Navneet. Now you're talking like a politically right person. Lagbhag? कहाँ लगभग?
देखिए इसे लगभग कहेंगे। कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं है। नजरें मेरी यहाँ पे फैल्कन की तरह तेज। आशीष।
Rider safe. 1 point, UP Falcons.
Brilliant escape. Brilliant escape here from Ashish Bhati. First he anticipated, what is this? Nikish Ravinder, when you can't do your primary job well of raiding, why go in for the tackle? Wanted to surprise Ashish Bhati from the left in. And then look at that escape to a player's plan. Very rare. But now I think that also has brought the downfall of Yoshish Nagar. Look at this. Look at this. Anand Yadav again goes and gets tackled. This is not done. Now he's on his feet as Rachit Yadav needs to go in. Yes, Rachit Yadav will be substituted in. Fabulous tie hold from the left in. Great work from that happens. We will talk on that more as Pablo Singh has come into a do-or-die raid as Navneet is holding his breath. Navneet, it's okay. Breathe. It's fine. It's just going to be a tackle, my friend. Don't worry.
ये क्या हुआ?
Jersey number,
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
jersey number 12.
We were holding the breath,
Number
but this is a
12.
breathtaking performance from Pablo Singh.
Three defenders.
He's turned the match
7-7,
around.
15,
This definitely is the Kabaddi
20.
Kamal moment of the match for me. In a do-or-die raid, it's a super raid coming in. Oh, they're discussing how many points. But Navneet, the match has now swung the Chandigarh's way. 1, 2, 3 points for sure. It's a super raid. First, the left cover. Then the left corner also puts his hand through. Oh my God. Navneet, what do you have to... Everybody coming to the party and they have given... Nice to see Nikit Singh getting the best defender award. I would have gone for Gurmeet Dalal. He was very good today. Gurmeet Dalal was very good. But yeah, again, for the UP Falcons...